We use chairs in our daily life in our houses, schools and restaurants, but today we are going to show you some special purpose chairs and stools that you have not seen yet, so watch the video till end and press the subscribe button. You may occasionally experience physical fatigue or pain. You no more need to visit hospital for this. The massage chair is right here. Your entire body is massaged from head to leg. It offers full body airbag massage and has a one-button zero-gravity design. It can choose from a variety of massage programs and is not restricted to any one kind of treatment, including foot roller massages, back heating, Chinese, Thai, recovery, strong, and repair massages. It has a mobile application that allows Bluetooth option selection. Thus, take a seat on this massage chair and release all of your stress. You can easily keep it in your room and use whenever you feel tired. It has two wheels on the back for ease of move. People frequently find it difficult to move chairs from one location to another. However, it can support up to 410 pounds thanks to these folding stools and portable chairs for adults. This retractable folding stool is different from other folding stools in that it has an additional layer of premium memory foam added to the portable stool and enlarged the cushion size to 10 by 10 inches in order to give you a more comfortable seating experience and an improved outdoor experience. To increase rigidity, the portable seat structure has been altered. The portable chairs for adults are kept together by a strong locking mechanism and a smooth locking system. The folding chair's portable non-slip base guarantees their stability. It works well for outdoor activities like gardening and hiking, as well as giving gifts to loved ones and friends. Ideal for carrying everywhere you go and using whenever you need to sit down. The adult-sized folding stool is incredibly simple to transport and store in luggage. The Cliq folding chair is the size of a drink bottle, making them excellent folding chairs for outside because you can transport them easily. This outdoor chair can be put up in 5 seconds and is not only lightweight but also portable. This robust folding chair keeps you upright in any setting. The foldable chair from Cliq is incredibly adaptable and ideal for any outdoor activities or somewhere simple like your lawn. The lawn chair is a must-have addition to your outdoor furniture collection. This lawn chair has undergone thorough testing and can hold 300 pounds while only weighing 3.5 pounds. These chairs are built to last a lifetime because to their aircraft-grade metal, ripstop ballistic nylon, and double seams. In addition to being ideal for your lawn, Cliq's foldable chairs are also great for picnics, beach days, camping vacations, concerts, and music festivals. Let me present to you the all-purpose Pedestal gaming chair. Can be used for playing video games, watching movies and TV, listening to music, reading, and relaxing are all possible uses for this lounging game chair. You get a full media experience from it. For complete immersion in your game, movie, or music, the chair combines 2 forward-facing speakers, audio force modulation technology, and ported power subwoofers into the open area inside the chair. The Pro Series H3 has more vibration motors that coordinate with the bass tones in your music to produce an even more potent full-body experience that will keep you comfortable and delighted for hours. It includes any source with RCA stereo outputs, can be used with a built-in radio wireless receiver and the wireless transmitter that is also included. This is the first chair in the world with an auto-chasing system. The comfortable ergonomic office chair for home guarantees that your lower back will receive continuous support when you are sitting in various positions. The low back supporter can be locked into place as necessary, and the support level and intensity can be changed to suit individual needs. Adjustable backrest allows for height adjustments to accommodate most people's demands, intelligently sizing the waist for good low back support to ease backache. If you experience back pain, bad posture is most likely to blame. After exhausting workdays, millions of people experience this issue. Despite your best efforts to sit up straight when sitting for extended periods of time, it is quite simple to start slouching. By guaranteeing that you can sit up straight no matter how you place yourself on it, the Wobble Stool can assist in solving this issue. The Wobble Stool is made to effortlessly correct your posture by guiding your body into an upright position simply by sitting down. You can feel your center of gravity shift as the chair tilts in any direction, and your body will naturally correct your position in response. Perfect for someone who must spend a lot of time sitting still. It has full 360 degrees tilt and rotation. The Wobble Stool can tilt and rotate in any direction in response to the pressure put on it by the user's movement and posture. To buy these cool chairs, click on the links in the description. Thank you for watching.